Hi guys, this is Steffanie. Welcome to Designs by Steffanie. For those of you who are here for the very first time, welcome. And for those of you returning, welcome back. If you have not subscribed to my channel already, I would love to have you as part of the DBS family. Just click on that subscribe button below, as well as the notification bell beside that, so that you don't miss any of my videos in the near future. Today, I am doing another wig review unboxing. It is of this unit that I have here. This is a Bobbi Boss wig. It is the Boss Wig Premium Synthetic Wig. This one is in the style M799 CUPCAKE, and it is in the color number 2. This unit that I have on here is Buttercup, so if you like this unit, I will link you here. Just click on that little eye. It'll link you to the review of this unit, or I will have it as well listed in the description box below. So if you would like to see the unboxing of CUPCAKE, then stick around and stay tuned. Okay guys, let me pull this out so we can see what it looks like. And again, as I said, I will link all the information about this unit in the description box below, of where I got it and other places you can get it from, so be sure to check there for that information. Okay, this stock card has the care instructions on it. It also lists additional colors, and that is about it. This unit is probably about a 10-inch unit in length. It is pretty much a wave with a slight curl to it, and it has bangs. Let's turn it inside out and see what the inside looks like. It is a full wig, no lace. It comes with a closed cap. It has 2 individual combs on each side. They're about 1 inch wide, each of the combs. It doesn't really have ear tabs to it. It's a little separation, so I guess you can say it does have ear tabs, but it's not the longer ones like are usually on them. It does have the stretchy cap in the back, and it does have a 2-inch comb in the back, as well as the 2 adjustable straps on each side of the comb. So, as always, I will adjust the straps, take off the stock card, and then we'll be ready for the try on, so stay tuned. I wasn't able to put the adjustable straps side by side because they've sewn the little things down where you clip it onto. So, they're on each side of the comb, so it may not be tight enough for me, unfortunately, so we will see. I want to take off this unit and put this one on. Not tight enough, but we're gonna roll with it. And it's supposed to be bangs. It's kind of like a wet look to me. That's what it looks like. The bangs are a little short. I guess this is about what it looks like on the stock card. Don't really have to do much to this unless you want to shape your bangs and keep them coming down and blend it around your face, because it's not. I probably would do that just to give it more dimension. And so the bangs won't look so boxed off. A little bit of water on here. Let's cut through some of this frizz. So here's a little bit of frizz. And give it a little scratch. Okay, that is it. It doesn't look too bad. It does look just like a wet set. The hair looks human, doesn't look too synthetic. The closure part is here, and it doesn't look too bad as far as the wig texture. I think this would look better on me if I had the bands tighter so it'll hold down better on my head. But let me let you guys see what it looks like in the back. I'm going to scrunch it a little bit. And like I said, I think this is about a 10 or a 12 inch. That is the back. Comes right below the shoulder. That is the crown of it. And yeah, that is it. As far as the sides, I have about an inch of space left on each side, so it doesn't come up really far as far as my hairline is concerned. And the back, it pretty much, you know, you're not gonna wear it up. You may, but it comes down pretty far on my hairline. So like I said, guys, please thumbs up the video if you like it, if you like these reviews. If you have a specific wig that you would like me to review, please share that in the comment section below. I'll be sure to check it out and see what I can do about reviewing it for you. Once again, thank you guys for stopping by my channel. Don't forget to check the description box below to see where you can purchase this unit if you like it, or the unit that I had on at the beginning of the video. And yeah, once again, thank you guys for stopping by, and I look forward to seeing you all in my very next video. Bye bye.